My God, it's getting cold here in the workshop, so today I'm going to be fitting this maXpeedingrods diesel heater to my workspace. I've already fitted one of these in the kitchen and it works really well. So today I'm going to fit this here in my actual work area in the hope that it heats this up somewhat, or just takes the chill off of the air at least. Now I chose this one because it's got the 4 outlets on it. There's a particular reason for this, and I'll show you that in a moment once I've fitted it into the wall.
Busted through.
Thank you. Perfect. Now for the exhaust of the diesel heater, I've made a fair size hole here, and because it's wooden, I've cut off a piece of metal drain pipe. I'm going to poke that through the hole to protect the wood from the heat of the exhaust, and then cover that again with another piece of metal with a hole in it to stop any rodents coming in through the hole. After all, nobody wants a rodent intrusion. Now earlier on I did mention there's a reason I chose this diesel heater with these 4 outlets. Let me show you why. You can get these smaller pieces of pipe. This is going to go onto here like this. I'm going to drill a hole in the side of my desk, and then I can direct hot air to underneath my desk. So when I'm sitting here editing or having my lunch, I'll have nice warm air going down onto my feet. That's the plan anyway. So let's just line that. I'm just going to eyeball this up. I reckon around about there should do it. And also, little Monty likes to lay under here, so this will be nice and warm for him when he's here and it's all cold outside. Little monster will have somewhere nice and warm to lay. And because there's plenty on the other end, I can bend it down and direct it at the floor. Have a look at that. There you go. Now I'm going to have nice warm air coming down, keeping me nice and cosy under the bench. Right, so without further ado, let's switch it on and see what happens. It'll probably take a couple of cycles to get that diesel to go through, because after all it's got no diesel in it and it needs to prime itself. Can't see the screen very well. Oh, there you go. It's working. Stuff's happening. Don't know why that's flashing. I think that's the time. Oh yeah, look at that. You can set the time. Right, that is. There you go. It's working. Right, so let's hope it works. It makes a little bit of difference to the temperature in here. Even if it only just takes the chill off, it'll be something. Well, it's making the dreaded ticking noise. No heat just yet. After all, the diesel's got to prime through. Will it do it in one go, or will I have to reset it? Will it turn itself off? Let's find out. Oh, well, I've just got added this other piece of pipe, so it blows air down low as well. So I'll have air coming out straight, air going underneath here, and hot air going down. And I could always, if I wanted to, get this pipe and direct it to underneath my workbench. And then the hot air will go the other side of my workbench and really warm up my work area. I'm really looking forward to this. I really do hope it works. Oh, it's timed out. There you go. I was expecting it to do that. It should throw up an error code as well. Yeah, we'll wait for it to shut down, then I'll start it again. And hopefully we'll be more successful in the second time. My experience with these, you have to turn them on twice to get them to work, to let the fuel prime through all the system. You don't have to worry about holding 2 buttons down and priming it manually, just let it do its own thing. Literally twice and it will prime. So this is the second attempt to fire it up, and as predicted it is firing up now. You can hear it roaring. This is going to be great, especially when it gets really cold. Right, I'm going to do some work on my van now.